Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing great. Today we're gonna see how to install VS Code on your Windows operating system. We are also gonna see how to open and set up your VS Code. So without wasting time, let's get started. Open your favorite browser and type VS Code. Click on the first link that appears. Now you can see that the Visual Studio Code has automatically recognized the stable build version for your Windows. Now go ahead and click Download for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, open the file. Now hit I accept the agreement and let the defaults remain same. Now go ahead and check out all the boxes, and the last box, that is add to path, is very important as it adds your path to the environment variables. Now go ahead and hit next. Now once it is installed, you can see the build version for November 2022 has been updated. Now go ahead and create a file called index.html. Here you can bring out the boilerplate for HTML. Now to run this file, you can also download Live Server. Or you can also open your index.html via Chrome. Here you can see, Hey Everyone has been uploaded. I hope you have successfully installed VS Code. Thank you.